Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now if we do first derivative, we have like this dv, that is about ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. Now we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so s divided by s, we have number 1. Now we have only this one, the s. Now we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we need to consider about this one. So we need to use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative, and we have like this. dv, that is about the s. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so s divided by s, we have number 1, and now we have number 2, and now we just have only this one. Now we continue using about integration by past again. So this one, that is about cosine, and this one we have negative sine. After we do first derivative, so this one we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, negative and negative, we have positive. 2 over s multiplied by s, we have number 2, and now we have the integration sine of 2f and s ds, and we know that this one equals to this one. So in this situation, I will change this one, that is about capital I. This one, that is about capital I, to find the value of this integration. So negative number 2 multiplied by this one and 2i. So we have like this. Now we put negative 4i go to the right, and this one we have 5i. Now we divide both sides by number 5. And this is the value of this integration. and we put about C in here. Now we go back in this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And I will put about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.